I'm Randy.
I'm Sharon.
And we're just here to say that we are very happy with our LeafFilter system. We had them put in all new gutters and the filter system, and it's beautiful. The whole experience, from meeting with the young man to begin with, to seeing all the different products, to the installation, to the cleanup, the whole thing was fantastic. We did get some heavy rain since the installation of the filter, and everything looks great. So far, so good. And Sharon's favorite part?
I don't have to get on the ladder to clean the leaves out anymore.
Yes, she is the one that gets on the ladder to clean out the leaves, not Big Randy, who's 67 years old. But it's been really good, and we're happy. The materials were great, and we did go online. We looked at several different companies and the options, and we just felt that this LeafFilter was the best for us, and we're very happy with it. And you just talked about how they cleaned up really well.
Yes,
they really did.
They did clean up really well.
They did a good job.
They were super friendly. The installation guys were super friendly and got in and out, and it was great.
Yeah,
very painless.
So we're happy campers, and we would recommend highly that you use LeafFilter.